Hello. Ay, wow. Hello po. Forgot. Hello. Oh, there's many people. Good morning. Today, we are out of the house. Uy! Hi, Larden. Idol ko po. Hindi ko alam po gusto ko i-landscape or report. Hello po. What am I supposed to do? Holy Week. It's Holy Week. Hello. Good morning. May natawag ata sa'yo. Ay, mama, may natawag sa'yo.
Hello, good morning.
Yes. This is my mom. She's driving.
Hello.
Miss you guys too.
I don't know where to place it because we haven't said that school.
Our car has literally no spots.
Nagising ka na, kala ko naman mag-video.
Wow, hello.
Sige,
Hello
pero
din.
sige, kung gusto mong ma-hyper ka.
This is just very quick. Kasi wala lang. Na-board lang ako.
Sige, bye-bye na. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Para lang ako nag-video call dito, di ba? Yes, hello. Today,
Hi guys.
it's Saturday. Ay, wow.
Hi guys.
Yes.
Good morning.
Siya nag-aya, sabi niya mag-live ako. Sabi ko, sige, okay lang. Tapos ayan, nandun na kami.
We're doing the live today because
It's kinda...
sad na kasi 2 days na kami nasa bahay.
Yes. 2 days na kami nasa bahay. Y'all don't understand. I am not I'm not like an at-home kind of person. So the fact that I'm finally outside, I'm very happy. Hindi ko kaya. Alam mo, all that I did talaga the past 2 days, no Thursday tsaka no Friday, was I watched. Yun lang, nanood lang talaga ako sa Netflix. Ayun.
So how's everyone?
Ay, everyone is okay at that.
Make a comment. Make a comment down there below. Para malaman namin kung anong nangyari this Holy Week sa inyo, mga guys.
Hi, Andy. Okay lang po. I'm okay.
What's up, Adi?
Si Andy, yung pinuntahan natin nung last time, yung sa Benay. Yung naiwan yung laptop ni Sophia.
Oh, hi, Andy. How are
Hi
you?
daw.
Good morning.
Yes. Where are we going right now?
Guys, we're going to SM.
Yes, we're going to SM. Hello po. Oh, doon hello po.
Now, I want
hello.
everybody to stay beautiful kasi yung mga girls dyan, ah. I want everybody to stay beautiful,
Ay,
stay out of stress.
Wow.
Yes.
Stay out of stress.
Stay out of
I
stress.
will.
And, ayun na. Always
Parang dapat
feel-
siya yung mag-live. Sige guys, charot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Namiss na namin kayong lahat, so we're doing the live.
Wow.
So, you better look forward to a lot of mga live streaming with Selena.
So I'm feeling any pressure right now. Hello! Yes, I hope you guys had a wonderful Holy Week. I just had a very simple Holy Week, so I hope you guys had something very interesting to do. Ano pa bang ginawa natin ng Holy Week?
Wala, we just watch lang.
Yeah.
We just watch.
Mama was watching her reels. I was watching on Netflix. What else? That's it.
Nagano din tayo.
What do we
Holy
do?
Week diet.
Wow!
Yes, there is
Gusto ko yun!
Yes, there is
Oh, that's true.
there's a such thing as Holy Week diet.
That's a thing?
Yes.
Ano ka ba? Isn't that like fasting?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like fasting.
Pero parang hindi naman fasting
Ay,
kasi
below
yung
me.
nangyari doon. Dahil spaghetti yun eh. There's meat.
Hello. Si Ino ba to? Hi, Ino.
Hi, Ino! How are you? Ay, miss ka na namin, Ino!
Hello po.
Hi, Ino!
Friday po, no meat. Nag-meet ba tayo kahapon? Parang hindi naman.
No, hindi po kami nag-eat.
Wow, himala.
Bread lang po ang pagkain namin kahapon. Bread and water.
Watch it put it that way. Well, we did have just bread.
Bread and egg.
Yeah,
That's
bread
it.
and egg. Oh! Yes.
Okay guys, medyo tight yung daan. So, we better be careful.
Parang vlog to ni Mommy. Oh my gosh. Yes, vibe is everywhere,
So, saan
guys.
nyo ba gustong pumunta? Bukod sa SM. Guys, sama namin kayo
Wow. Hala.
to make our Saturday, Holy Saturday,
Just carrying the live
Punta
stream,
tayo
guys.
sa church.
Well, Wow! We don't really do that much, if I'm being honest.
Yeah.
Maybe we should. Maybe we have to give it a try. My God. Wala talaga, no? Very simple lang yung Holy Week natin. It's very...
How's everyone na?
Everyone is coming and going mga.
Siguro
Pwede
yung mga
mag-stage. Parang pwede naman.
ano daw?
Pwede ba daw maging studio audience?
Studio audience, of course.
Yeah,
Ito,
you
sino
just-
to?
Lester Gotido Arbiol.
Hi, Lester. How are you?
Hello. Yeah, I think pwede naman.
Anything
You guys
to
can
share?
come to Vibe.
Yeah. Guys, we're inviting everyone. Nga pala, Selena has a coming... She has a coming... no!
You can't
Competition?
say that. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, we're inviting everyone po sa Maybank Theater.
Miss Yurinda ma. Hello.
April 11. I think that's Kuya Lester. I think I know him.
Kaya nga. Hi daw.
Hi! Kamusta ka
Yes.
na?
I have a competition next week. It's a dance competition. So,
Guys, not only dance, it's also a singing competition.
yeah.
So-
but I'm mostly gonna dance. So,
You better check it out. April 11, Maybank Theater. You will see a different side of Selena.
hala.
Selena. And also follow by PH. Yan.
Parang siya talaga yung nagpo-promote dito, no?
Yes po. Kasi ang bagal po nung ano ko nung kasama ko mag-promote. Kaya ako na lang po magpo-promote
Well,
in her behalf.
yes. I don't know what else to do, guys.
So, yun.
Yes, yun na nga. Kami ay nasa labas na ng bahay. Very grateful, very blessed. Because honestly, it was those 2 days at home that realized I don't want to be at home forever. Yeah. Ang bilis ko kasi ma-bored sa bahay, promise. I ran out of things to do very quickly. Oh, tawag dito, what did I do nung yesterday and the day before yesterday, no Thursday, I was just drawing. I still realized I could draw, which is a great thing to know that I can still draw. I mean, actually, pag nagda-drawing ako, tawag dito, kailangan ko ng reference. Kasi pag wala akong reference, hindi ko kaya mag-drawing ng mag-isa. Depende na lang yun. Yung mga simple things kaya ko, pero yung parang halimbawa gagawa ko ng tao, hindi ko kaya nang walang reference from Pinterest. Yun. Tsaka I started learning to draw with just the ball pen alone and not a pencil. That's you go over it again with the ball pen. Ayun. So, I don't know. Yeah. Ay, si Sir Clint pala dito. Hi, Sir Clint.
Hi, Sir Clint! How are you po? Sir Clint, miss na kita. My God, hindi na tayo natuloy nagkita.
But she's her last. Yes. Ayun. So, we're almost at that time. This has been very interesting. Very interesting.
Later.
I love watching. Ate Kelly. Hello, Kelly. Happy Holy Week. Yung sa vibe. Yung nag-vocals dun sa ano.
Oh, hi, Kelly! Hi, Kelly! See you
Hello
next
po.
week!
Ay, oo nga pala. Next week. Oh, see you next week po. Okay. Hello! Hi, Mom. Hello. Hello, guys. Miss you all. Sana magandang Holy Week ninyo. Alam nyo, during the Holy Week, I've had like very random thoughts of doing a vlog, of like starting a vlog ulit. Kaso, na-realize ko, pag ginawa ko yun, ako rin mag-e-edit. Ako rin yung mag-e-edit. Tapos, it's just very hard to edit. You know what I realized? I'm not a great editor. Miss ko na rin kayo. Yeah. Pero yeah, I'm not great at editing. So, yeah. If you look at my old vlogs from before, the only reason why I choose not to delete that is because it's memories and because I find it so funny that wala lang. I just find myself really funny. Blooming ka. Talaga ba? Blooming ka ako ngayon.
Ay,
Charot. Joke lang.
Hindi po kasi siya, naglinis po kasi siya ng bahay. Kaya naging blooming siya, hindi siya naarawan, hindi siya na ano.
That's true. Hindi ako naarawan.
Pawisan.
Yeah. Ganun siguro pag di ka pinapawisan. Pero still, I miss. Yeah. Pero yun, I might start a vlog soon enough. Alam niyo, ang dami kong mga tawag dito, mga vlogs from my past trips na hindi ko pinapost. Tapos ine-edit ko lang siya. Tapos hanggang editing lang siya, never na siya napopost. So kung gusto niyo man makita yun. Yeah. Also, we're gonna travel again this year. So
Follow nila yung ano, Selena's Gallery so that they could see yung mga
yeah, you guys can
yung mga
follow
travels.
my other account. It's called Selena's Gallery. It's just puro scenery, life, dump. No me photos in it, just puros. Yeah, it's puro photos of life. Life? Yeah, that's it. I don't really... Well, ano ba? I actually made that account kasi I wanted to... Tawag dito? Kasi I wanted to become a photographer. Nag-Japan kasi kami that time. Doon ko stinart yung Selena's Gallery. Tapos I took so many great pictures. For me, it was great. Okay, I don't know if everybody could agree or disagree, but I thought it was really good. So then I decided to make that account because I thought it looked pretty cool that I could take pictures like that. So yeah. Ayun. It's only 10:38, but it's really early in the morning. I hope you guys had great sleep. You know, only this Holy Week that I could sleep in, because normally at this time I would be in the studio teaching. So pretty great that I don't have to wake up early today, and I only have to do that next week because next week's a competition. So yeah, I always watch your old hello po. Hi Rahil.
Si Rahel.
Miss ko si Ryan. I always watch your old vlogs. Oh my gosh, my old vlogs are very cringe. They're very cringe-worthy. We don't talk about that anymore. I don't even watch those anymore. I don't know. Miss you! Miss you, bebe. Miss ko na kayo. Pero yeah. Ayun. I don't look at my old vlogs anymore because they're pretty cringe. But one day, I'm gonna rewatch all of them. Meron pa ako sinasabi dati eh, dun sa vlog. What's up guys? It's me, Selena. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry. I said that very sarcastically, but you get the gist. Hi, Selena. Oh, I miss you guys. Di kompleto field trip. Wala. Kailangan kasi sinasama niyo ako sa field trip para kompleto yung field trip niyo. Kailangan makasama ako. Hello! Hello so very, very much. Hello, Leah. Hello. Yes. Hi, Kuya Benedict.
Hi, si Benedict. Hello, Benedict. How are you?
We have arrived at SM. How am I? I'm thriving, I think. I'm thriving, I think. Yes. Hello.
Good morning.
Yes. I'm barely living, guys. I'm telling you, Holy Week challenged me. Hello! Kamusta? We're alive and well, guys. We are alive and well. Yeah. Ayun, we're already at SM. Currently, I'm at TV5. You guys can watch me survive. Yes. Don't forget to vote for your favorite OPM artists. You know what? I've always wanted to see SB19 live. So if you guys could ever so kindly vote for SB19, that would mean the world to me. You know, I always see them on the leaderboard sa Vibe, and I'm always like, when are they gonna go to Vibe? So, yeah. Ayun, inaabangan ko na lang na pumunta sila kasi, yeah, yun lang. Sobrang idol ko talaga sila. Guys, I've seen them once before sa UK. But then, after that, I haven't anymore, so let's hope we can see them again. Yeah. I've been to almost every single era of their concert. Now that I think about it. Yeah, I have. I've been to... No, not almost every single. I've been to... Ano ba yung una nila? Wyatt. I've been to Wyatt. I've been to Pagkatag. And I made it to Simulat Wakas. Because we got a free ticket there. But yeah. Ayun. Mama, before we end this, do you want to say anything?
Hi! O, ingat kayong lahat mga guys. We'll see you again.
Yes. See you also ever very, very, very soon. Oh, uy, si Andaya. Hello and bye. Happy Holy Week, guys.